and welcome back to one of my videos, and in this one I'm going to share with you some scented coloured glues I'm selling in my shop. So here's all the options you can choose from, and there's more than just the ones I've made here. You've got bubblegum, orange, banana, blueberry, Parma violet glue, citrus, strawberry and blackberry. So these are all scented and coloured. So all you need to do is add your activator of choice. Which one am I going to choose? Orange. So I'm going to use this glue and make it for you in this video so you can see how easy it is. You don't need scent, you don't need colour, all you need is activator. So I'm using borax. I sell these in my shop. It's 100 mils and it's $2.99. I'm also using this little mixing stick. So here's the orange glue. I'm just going to pour it in and show you how easy it is to make a slime. I think it's better just to take the top off, to be honest, because then just pour it all in. It's 125 mils of scented glues. This smells of sweet orange. So just tip the whole lot into the bowl, and then you are ready to add whatever you like. So I've decided to make this a glossy slime, so I'm adding baby oil quite generously, and I'm going to mix this in. So you don't have to use a lollipop stick, you can use anything you like, and I'm adding activator at the same time, and this is speeded up so you don't have to wait as long as it takes to make it. But it is really this simple, and you can add other ingredients if you want to, but just watch the consistency of your slime as you are adding your activator. Make sure it's not going to get too stiff or clumpy, or you don't want a rubbery slime. So just keep working it in, and then once it's coming together, it's ready to handle and stretch. Remember, it's always worth adding some hand lotion or body lotion to your slime to loosen it up a bit. Also removes stickiness, so it's super handy to have that to hand to help your slime along. Okay, so this is looking pretty good, and I think it's nice and clicky, it's very stretchy, it's really nice to handle, so this slime is pretty much done. Very nice. So remember, once you've made your slime, you really do need to store it in an airtight container so it will last longer, it won't dry out, and you can have much more fun with it, and it should last approximately a month, sometimes more, just depends where you store it. And look at that, it's very glossy, it's very clicky, pokey, very nice slime. So that wasn't enough for me. I thought I would add some sprinkles, nice glitter, and give it some sparkle and have some fun. And I do actually include this slime in one of my Instagram videos, so do go check it out at slime_screw_ball_, and you will see a nice little video on there. Look at that, lovely. So that is it for this video. Don't forget to check out my shop, slimescrewball.etsy.com. Don't forget to like and to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Bye!